Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to Beginner's Guide to Makeup. So we all want to accentuate our best features, right? So in this week's makeup lesson, I'll be showing you how to make green eyes pop. Bronze and metallic shades are really complementary on green eyes. However, this particular look will actually suit all eye colors. So if this is something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. For this week's lesson, you're going to need 4 different eyeshadow brushes, a blending brush, a pencil brush, a smaller size blending brush, and also a flat eyeshadow brush. You will need 4 different eyeshadow shades, a mid-tone or transitional shade, a bronze metallic shade, a dark brown, and also a highlight shade for your brow bone. If you're new to my channel or if you're new to makeup, you might be a little bit confused about eyeshadow placement and lingo, so let's quickly run through it. The area above the lid of the eye is called your crease. This is where your transitional shade will go. The lid of the eye is the area from the top of your eyeball or your crease down to your lash line. The inner corner is the area between your tear duct and nose. And lastly, the lower lash line, which is the area just under your lower lashes. The waterline is the skin just inside your eye. Take your blending brush and hold at the end of the handle for the least amount of pressure. Take a mid-tone or a transitional shade. This is usually about 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone, and choosing a warm shade will be really complementary as well on your green eyes. You want to focus this on the outer corner of the eye and also bring it back and forth through the crease, and just work on buffing that out and blending it out so there's no harsh lines. Next, you want to take a darker brown shade. Think of this as a contour shade, and you want to apply it on the outer corner of the eye in a V shape. So choosing a smaller blending brush like this will give you a lot more precision and control. Start in the outer corner of the eye, tapping away the excess product, and then apply in a V or a C shape. Once you're happy with the placement of the color, you can then start blending it through the crease of the eye and then also at the edges, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Going back to the color wheel, the opposite of green is red, so anything that has red undertones is going to be extremely complementary on your green eyes. If you don't have a dark eyeshadow with red undertones, you could choose a red lip, and this is going to be extremely complementary on your green eyes. Next, you want to go in with your shimmer shade. This can be a bronze or a metallic shade, and this is really going to make your green eyes pop. Pack this on with a flat eyeshadow brush. You can also wet the brush to really make the eyeshadow shimmer and pop. Next, you want to apply your highlight shade. So this can be anything that's neutral, a white or a champagne shade. This is going to open your eyes and make them pop, and then you can also apply just a tiny bit under the brow bone to really lift and open the eyes. Then you can apply your mascara or your lashes if you choose. Moving on to the lower lash line, take your pencil brush and your transitional shade and just blend this back and forth across the lower lash line. Add the darker brown just to the outer half of the eye to contour the eye and also connect it to the top lash line. And then I'd recommend finishing with a little bit of eyeliner. Choosing white is really going to make the eyes pop and open them up. If you choose black, it will kind of make the eyes look a little bit more sultry and smoky. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson to really make your green eyes pop. Be sure to come back and check out next Tuesday's makeup lesson, where I'll be talking all about brown eyes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. My question to you is, did you find this video valuable, and do you have any requests for my next tutorial? I really hope you enjoy this, and I hope I get to see you in my next one. Bye!